Okay, where I've been? Yeah, this is where I've been. When I tell y'all I'm still so weak from this 20-hour loc comb out. I told her it would be like 9 hours. This is like my third loc comb out. But her hair was so mature. She had her locks since 2020. And when you look at her hair, it doesn't look like she has that much like her hair is very soft, so you think that it's gonna be faster. I'm like, okay girl, like she literally have hair just like my other client that I did loc comb out on. But when I tell you her density is crazy, her volume is crazy, and her length, like her hair is so deceiving. I was like, oh my gosh. But once I started, I couldn't stop. And she was like, girl, you need to eat. Like, she even got us some Chick-fil-A and was like, girl, you need to eat. Now, of course, you have hair come out. You lose 100 strands a day naturally. So imagine having locks in since 2020. Like, come on. So, of course, you shed hair. It's like a cat and a dog. So, yeah. Left the shop from doing a comb out. I got 20 locks left. We started at 11. Right now it's 2:15. Literally 15 hours. Like, that's crazy. Literally 9 hours. I told her 9 hours. Estimate time. I told her she was a little sweet, but 15 hours. So my hands hurt, my arms, my fingers, and everything. My wrist. My hand literally got stuck in a gang sign. 2:30 something in the morning. I just got a parking spot way in the back. I'm so weak. Okay, so it's the next day. We finally got the locks out. Oh God, I was so happy. I prayed my way through the whole time. And so yeah, we did a hydration treatment. Got some moisture in her hair because her hair was so dry, of course, from the loc comb out. And then this is her hair blown out. Now you can see she has like blotches of color. That's from the hair being locked when people apply color. You miss spots when you do that. So I blew her hair and straightened it and gave like a little slight dusting trim. And then this week she came in, which was 2 weeks later from that day, to get her hair color jet black, so it look nice and clean, so we can get an accurate cut, and so she could be back shiny and healthy again. So I was excited about that, and she was too. And yeah, we were on our healthy journey now. And again, having your locks in with color, like it just, it comes out blotchy once you comb out your locks. So we had to get rid of that. And, we were excited to go back to jet black, something like natural beauty color. And it just looks so healthy. You see the curls, period. Okay, let's go. So we washed the color out. You see the curls popping, juicy curls. Looks so healthy, looks so good. So now I'm going to blow dry her out, and then we're going to do a trim and a silk press. So here her hair is blown out all the way fully. So yeah, she was so excited. I'm like, girl, like your hair is so beautiful. Finally did the trim and it looks so good. Darling, turn around. Here's the results.
That's because y'all cheating with this Indian hair.
Alright, here we go.
Good? Shake your girl. Oh! Ow! Period. Y'all better go.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show. I'm done.
Can you make that commitment for him?
No.
Can you make that
No, I don't want it.
I can't.
I do not
For that, I
want it.
said, I ain't doing it no more. I gotta preserve my fingers. I was just in so much pain. So yeah, that is the end of this loc comb out video. Thank you guys so much for watching.